Good afternoon, friends. Paul Arakelyan here today to talk to you about some few important things. That's what the program's called, and some of those few important things are the fact that it's almost year end, guys. We have another couple months, good months that we can put in, and then it's 2018. So I wanted to talk to you about some changes that are happening. So there's some products where the prices are changing. There's price increases and price hikes on certain products. We have a product that we've sold a lot of for children, the 10 payment whole life product. And one of our carriers, that was the original carrier that had that product, they're increasing their premium. So if anybody's got small children that or newborns that they want to start a program for, and just it's mainly a money purchase plan, meaning that you just decide whatever you want to put in there. It's not really a decided monthly payment. You can just say $200 a month or $300 a month just as a good savings vehicle for my child and start a program like that. If that's going to be your goal, then I would suggest that do not delay that. Call us, set up an appointment, come by the office. There's a phone number on your screen. Otherwise, those plans would, fortunately, they will still be available, because I've seen through my career of 22 years, I have seen products disappear. So products that are not being offered anymore. So luckily that product is still being offered. It's going to have a higher payment. So you're going to be paying the same monthly payment, but the effect of the policy, meaning having the cash values and everything, would be less because your costs will be increased. So that's an important thing to know, because you don't want to find out and say, well, how come nobody told me about that? Another very important thing is that we have some certain products that are effective based on your calendar year, or if you're in a fiscal year, for your pension plans. If you're going to be filing your taxes, if you're in a situation where you want to get some write-offs and stuff, we have some certain types of products that we can use for your pension plans. So if you are in a position right now that you're wondering, well, should I need to have a plan, I need to park my money there, and I need to get a write-off for the year and whatever. If you're still in that situation, then definitely you need to start doing something right away, because there's not too much time left. So that's another important to know fact. Another thing is that for seniors, we have some products where there's no question asked. Some people sometimes wonder why they applied for a policy that was a no medical exam policy and they still got declined. Well, there's policies where there's medical questions being asked, and so if the client is untruthful, they're not telling, or the agent doesn't disclose everything to the insurance company, and they find out through the Medical Information Bureau or the script check, they may just go ahead and decline the policy without giving any further chance to go through underwriting, and most likely if they went through underwriting, they would still get declined anyhow. So there's policies that are like that. They're called simplified issue policies. So there's no blood and urine test required, but there's medical questions. If the answer to any of those questions is a yes, then the person cannot qualify for life insurance. Now, we also have products where it's guaranteed issue, meaning that there's no health questions asked. The person will get approved for life insurance. So we've had many cases where the person has had many different health issues, and even diagnosed with cancer, or even diagnosed with some other kind of a problem, having a kidney transplant going on, being on dialysis or whatever, and we still can insure those people. There are smaller amounts, but those policies are geared towards any kind of final expenses, so the family does not have to worry about those expenses. They feel more confident that they're covered on that. So give us a call if you have a family member or a friend or somebody who's got that kind of a health condition that they feel that they cannot get insured, and let's see if we can get them. We have at least 2 or 3 different companies that we can do it through. And so we can possibly pick up, 25,000 from here, 25,000 from there, another 20,000. So we can end up giving a person that's completely uninsurable up to about $70,000 of life insurance. Want to say that, you know, we've got a tremendous opportunity now for people who are working and they're not protected. You know, basically a person that goes to work every day and earns a certain amount of income is at their own risk. What if they can't work tomorrow? What if something happened to them and they can't work? Well, you know, they need to have some sort of an income replacement. Well, I'm here to tell you that there is a perfect plan right now with one of our carriers. Just delivered a policy to a lady who's getting about $3,600 a month of benefit. Guess what? This lady's worked for this country. I mean, she's paid taxes for years and years. If she became disabled, she'll be paid for a very short time, and she would not be paid $3,600 a month. A lot less than that. Well, this policy will take her all the way to age 65 and keep her paying, keep her getting paid that same amount, and it will increase as a cost of living adjustment is also attached to the policy. So she can have a 3% increase every single year on her monthly payments. So, and her payments will be waived. She won't be paying anymore for her policy, and she will keep collecting that income. So, and it's a completely tax-free income. So, why is this program called Important Things to Know? Because these are important things, guys. If you're working and all of a sudden something can happen, something can go tremendously wrong and you can't work, then guess what? You're going to say, man, there was something that a guy on the on Facebook or on YouTube I watched was saying, or on the Armenian Teletime, he said that they can replace my income. I should call him. Well, you know what? I'm sorry. If you call me at that time, it's too late, because now you already got a problem and we can't insure you. So if you can do it now, do it, because that is going to protect your income, and your income, your ability to earn income, is your one of your most valuable assets. So that's about it. You know, if you've got a mortgage, okay, remember that you need to have a mortgage protection, because you know that amount will not get paid off by itself. Mortgages don't pay themselves off if the owner dies or something. They still have to get paid by the family members or the survivors. It's very, very inexpensive. I mean, we've given $1 million policies for some families for, you know, $30, $40 a month. What's that not to pay? Why? How can you not pay that and live at your own risk and take the risk and not transfer the risk from your shoulders to the insurance company's shoulders by spending $40 or $50 a month? Give us a call. Call Legacy Partners at the number that's listed on your screen right now, or go to myagentla.com and make an appointment that way. But do not stay underinsured or uninsured, guys. This is very serious. You guys are all doing this because of your families, because you've got somebody that depends on you, and you've got somebody that you love. So that's your reason. You don't need to have any other reasons to make sure that you're insured and that your love is insured. You know, your family members are insured. With that said, we're hiring. Legacy Partners is hiring. So if there's any agents sitting out there, give us a call, come by, talk to us. We have lead programs that we offer leads, you know, to agents, and we have salary programs. We have retirement benefits for our agents, and we have extremely competitive and high commissions. Give us a call, talk to us, come by our office. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.